I'm Wade with Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you GNR's valve cover for the 03 to 05 5.9 Cummins. If you got an 03 to 05 Dodge Cummins, you know the valve cover on these trucks is basically a mess. You've got the CCV filter cover that's on these things. It's cheap plastic. Then you've got the expensive CCV filter to change out here. Usually it's filled up and blown oil all over your valve cover. So the whole thing's just a mess basically. GNR has got an answer for this. They have come out with a solid 6061 T6 aluminum valve cover for the 03 to 05 trucks. Now this valve cover you can also get for the 06 to 07 5.9s. GNR also offers them for the 6.7 engines as well. Now we've got this in just the normal aluminum color. You can get these in different colors we offer from GNR. But let's talk about some of the features of this thing. Again, T6 aluminum, it's billet, so it's one piece. 6061. It comes with the billet aluminum oil fill cap, which is really nice. It will come with a hardware package, new valve cover bolts that come for you, and then it's going to come with a baffled CCV canister, so you don't have to fight with the filter anymore. It's going to come with the fittings for the CCV canister. Well, I'm going to let you see that on the end there. The fittings, I don't have those on them. When I walked into this video, I forgot to bring them with me, but it will come with fittings for this. A lot of you guys have already got fabrication done on this to get around the CCV filter. GNR took that into consideration, so they didn't send you a whole lot of extra parts that you're not going to need with this. We do offer a stainless steel braided line kit if you have not gotten that. If you have not gotten the filter bypass done yet, we can get that for you and run these stainless steel braided lines to a catch scan, and you're good to go. But got the GNR logo on the cover. Really nice piece. This is, if you're looking to dress your motor up and just give that certain, when you pop the hood, it's you're gonna have a whole lot of pride in the motor and a whole lot of pride in the product. So GNR really makes really good stuff, all machined in-house at their facility. We're proud to offer them here at Thoroughbred Diesel. So if you have a question about any of GNR's products, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.